Hello everyone, welcome back with the Spermagang Satriani channel. Now we are going to cycling to the Mount Bunder at the NGumpet Waterfall in Pamadahan, Bogor. Well, happy watching. Departed from Bojonggut at 6:30 morning, we head straight to Billabong Lake, and enjoy a tea or loo with coffee with local cakes, then take some time to explore the lake and find the civic. The trip continues to Sibatok. It's 1.30 hour from where our bicycle ride starts. Here you will enjoy the beautiful view of Mount of Salak. We then ride through the pine forest, then follow a main road in the green environment. We will then stop at Semplay village to see a handicraft from bamboo. Our cycling tour will finish after 3 hours cycling non-stop, from where our bicycle rides start. However, it will be paid off when you find the beauty of NGumpet Waterfall, Mantap. The immense feeling of love I feel every cycling when I see these children. Watching them astonished, make friends, tell jokes, and sense of purpose. NGumpet, or in English Hidden Waterfall, is the name of a tourist destination in Bogor Regency. It's located around 38 kilometers from the center of Bogor city, the Bogor Palace. The waterfall is not too big and in a smaller size than its colleague. The height is only around 25 meters. There is a little pond under the cataract. The waterfall is surrounded by cliff and trees, making the environment very green. Colors are provided by amethyst trees and flowers, giving cheerful tone to the place. A small stream running out from the pond gives a peaceful and nice gurgling water sound. Compared to Sigamaya Waterfall, the NGumpet waterfall is more suitable for the ones who want to swimming or hide from the noise. It is much quieter, probably because tourists usually are more attracted to the bigger Sigamaya. You can see how beautiful Sigamaya waterfall on our previous vlog. Small but yet beautiful and relaxing. Mantap. Those are that you can find in NGumpet Waterfall, a hidden cataract that is not hidden anymore, in West Bogor Regency. I travel light. I think the most important thing is to be in a good mood and enjoy life wherever you are. Okay, hope you guys like my vlog. See you in the next vlog and thank you for watching.